Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu, we are cooking shepherd's pie, and it's a shepherd's pie like you've never had before. As always, all of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below. Jump in the kitchen with me and let's start peeling the potatoes. After peeling the potatoes and cutting them up, I rinse the starch off. Now the potatoes have been rinsed and put in fresh water. Time to prep the vegetables. Here I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, and for some flavor I'm adding some thyme and some garlic. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Here I'm adding some oil to a hot pan, followed by some chopped onions, and I'm going to saute those for about 2 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients, apart from the spring onions. Now it's time to give the ingredients a good stir and let it saute for about 3 minutes before adding the lean mince to the pan. I'm using lamb, but you can use minced beef, minced chicken, turkey, or whatever mince you want to use. Mix to combine and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Time to add some herbs and spices to this dish. Once all the spices and herbs have been added to the pan, give it a good stir to combine all these wonderful flavors. For added layers of flavors, add some mustard and tomato paste. And mix it all up. Now for some chopped tomatoes, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and some balsamic vinegar for an extra bit of sweetness and richness to the dish. And finally, some stock. I'm using lamb stock. Now I'm adding some tomato ketchup and some brown sauce to the dish for some extra flavor. Here I'm adding some cornstarch flurry to thicken the meat sauce. Followed by some salt, black pepper, a good stir, and cover and cook for about 15 minutes on medium to low heat. Time to add the other ingredients, but first give it a good stir, followed by some green seasoning, mixed vegetables, and some black garlic. The black garlic adds a sweetness and it has a unique savory taste which adds a umami flavor to the dish, which I love. To add a bit of heat, chili flakes. I'm adding a tablespoon of coriander and parsley to combine together. And I let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. Doesn't that look really delicious and colorful? I think it does. Now, don't forget to taste, and if you need to add more seasoning, please do. I'm adding a dash of Maggi because I love the flavor. Here I'm testing to see if the potatoes are ready, and they are, and it's time to drain them and start the mashing process. I like creamy, buttery potatoes, so I'm putting a lot of butter here. I'm adding some coriander and parsley chopped up together, followed by some milk mixed with cream, garlic granules, black pepper, and some cheese.
Mash it up naman.
Here I am adding a bit of salt to taste. And now I'm giving it a good mix until it's soft and creamy, just as it is on the screen. And the final ingredient, some spring onions. Time to layer up that dish. Now I'm adding a mixture of pecorino, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. And I'm going to be adding even more butter to the top for a golden and decadent finish to this dish. Time to put that delicious shepherd's pie into the oven for the next 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. The oven was preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. And here it is in its final splendor. Doesn't it look amazing? Yes. Enjoy. If you like this dish, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and hit that notification so you won't miss any uploaded videos.